In this how-to video, we will show how to create a label template with prompts at the time of print. We'll start by launching the Custom Designer application and open a partially created template. On this template already are two static text objects and a date time stamp. The print options have already been checked for the prompt at print time. We will add a text placeholder object with a hint text of serial number. This text will be displayed at the time of printing. We'll add a date entry validation character of numeric only and min-max character of 1 and 5. A second text placeholder object will be created for the phone number. Hint text of phone number will be displayed at the time of printing. Valid input characters will be set to mask, which allows us to ensure specific characters are entered at the time of printing. We will use the pound symbol to ensure numbers are entered in a format aligning with a phone number. Lastly, we will configure the prompt order, which displays the prompts at the time of printing. We'll save, exit Custom Designer, and launch the Print Partner application. We'll open that recently created template, which will open immediately in the print preview screen, allowing me to enter data with error catching to ensure that the valid data entry was followed. Tabbing brings me to my next prompt, where I'm able to type over my mask. Real-time print preview shows what will print. In print settings, already are set to the 3 print quantities. I can simply clear the field when ready and enter my next set of data.